Maggie, stay close. You too. Jack, you need to stay over here, okay? Don't go near the water, please. Come on, Maggie. Do you want Maggie to run? Here, let's throw a stick for her. You want a stick too? Maggie, you're a little... You're not fetching. Ah, here, let's try. You ready? Go get it!
I want to stick too.
Oh, she's bringing it back. Oh, she's bringing it. Oh, she got it. Oh, she can't. She can't stop eating snow. She's having so much fun. You crazy dog. Did you just need to run it out? Yeah, you just needed to get some freedom. Oh, go get it. Jack's throwing it too. Oh, no. Okay. You can put your toys down, you know. Do you still have your bird?
Mommy, help!
Maggie, nay. So pretty out here.
I want some. Mommy, I want to stick. Mommy, I want to stick.
Do you want to throw it so Maggie can get it?
Mommy.
Here, Mommy will throw it. Watch. Okay, gotta sit.
Bracelet.
You want to throw it? Maggie.
Yeah.
Here, go ahead. Throw it. I don't think she sees it. She's looking for it. She's like, where did it go?
Ah.
Is it too big?